Chris here, and I'm going to find out if it's worth my time scrapping another style of floor fan. If you haven't seen my videos before, I don't show you how to scrap something. I just try to get you in the ballpark of what something might be worth just taking to the scrap yard as is to taking home and tearing it apart. Like all my videos, we're going to start with a baseline of what something is worth taken straight to the scrap yard. So here it is. Folks, I say it all the time in my videos. I'm not a full-time scrapper. Though I've been doing it for 20 years, it's just a fun projects at home, my toys, and in fact, right now I'm just scrapping a little extra to try to get a better down payment on a new truck. So, look, there's a lot of variables involved in scrapping, especially scrap prices. They've been low for a long time, and finally I'm seeing them rise a little bit. So I need you to fill in the blanks on these videos. I'm just using them as kind of a visual journal of different things I've been scrapping lately, and just kind of get an idea of what I'm going to spend time tearing apart, or just throw on my trailer and take it right to the scrapyard. So until next time, and like usual, I'm ending with a little disclaimer.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.